Hello, do you want to add the follow button on your Facebook profile? Then keep watching this video till the end.
First of all, I'm gonna show you a preview of this profile. So to see the preview, I'm gonna click on my profile and now click on this three dot icon. Now click on view as. Now see there's no any follow button here. So now I'm gonna add the follow button here on my profile. First open your profile. Now at the top left corner click on your profile picture. Now in this middle section click on this three dot icon. Scroll down a little bit. Now click on turn on professional mode. Again click on turn on. And now you will get some more options here. Complete all the steps properly and now go back. Now my Facebook profile has turned into a page. I mean whatever features and facilities are available on a Facebook page, now all the features and facilities will be available on my profile too. Now if I go to this three dot icon and if I click on view as, now see there is a follow button on my Facebook profile. So this is how just by turning on the professional mode, you can add a follow button on your Facebook profile. So if you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit the like, and if you want to watch more this kind of helpful videos, then do subscribe to the channel. And if you are watching us on Facebook, then do follow the page right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful tips and tricks. Till then, thank you, bye bye.